Hello guys! How are you po? How are you? So, pasensya na po kayo sa lahat po ng mga followers ko, sa mga subscribers. Hindi po tayo nakapag-update lately sa ating social media dahil ako po ay sobrang busy. And live update po sa inyo, tayo po ay na-promote sa ating trabaho. And okay po ang nanay ko. Na to the echo na po siya, and we have an appointment for her doctor para po sabihin sa atin kung ano po yung resulta ng kanyang to the echo. Pero tayo ay nagiging busy sa ating trabaho. I will be a business development sa aking part-time. Remember, I was doing a part-time with a small business here around me, and because of my persistence and showing all my passion in selling, we will be carrying a chemical that is a manufacturer based in Michigan. So medyo busy po tayo dahil sa mga transition na ginawa natin sa kanilang negosyo. They are a moms and pops business, and I feel bad kasi they are already 39 years in business and they still consider themselves as mom and pops. So I was like giving them the information that I said, you don't know how much competition you have outside, na lahat po ng mga binibenta nyo dito are also sold of different reps outside dito sa store nyo. And sinabihan ko sa sila na if I can give you a proposal na I could be your sales rep for your company, will you be able to transition, or will you be able to how can I say, take it? So I made a proposal to them. I laid out the plan, I laid out the business proposal, how we're gonna do it, how are we going to transition from being like selling union clothing, you know, mga ganon, to adding up more products with chemicals. So I shoot them a lot of manufacturers, and there was one manufacturer that stood out to them, and we had a meeting with the manufacturer, and I will be their from now on I will be their sales representative. Pasensya na po tayo kasi pag tayo ay pasensya tayo sa ating banks, kasi pag ako ay nabuword at nakasalamin pinakialaman ko yung banks ko. So ganun po guys ang ating development today. I was offered a base salary, commission, and gas money. So at least po tayo ay mayroon tayong bread and butter sa ating base, then whatever I work on sale will be, I'll get some commission of that. While we transition to the business and while we're adding more chemicals, there will be more opportunities and more monies to come in. I might be training few people para na kung paano mag-saturate ng area, kung paano mag-cold call, kung paano lahat. Even the store manager, I have to train her how to use the system, and I created a business. I feel bad for them. So I created like an email signature for them kasi wala silang alam sa mga ganyan, how you could link your business to the website, how you could link your email to the website. Pagka nag-i-email ka, mag-i-insert ka ng link, right? Lahat po ng mga yun, in the past few weeks, para akong nagiging trainer nila sa lahat, and I have that passion na I felt na they will grow in the market. So believe me or not, the other company that I left, they are still reaching out to me if I can come back. And for me, I was treated unfairly. Yun, I was treated unfairly. And for me, why would I go back to a company who betrayed me in the beginning? So why would I give them more businesses around here in Illinois? They're based in Georgia. Why would I keep giving them businesses where you know, it is purely money? So I I have the passion that I want to grow a business locally, which is a women-owned business, and I have a very good connection with the owner, and she is so open with all of my suggestions and how to grow the business. Since I came in, the sales that they have gotten increased about 90%. That's what they're telling me. When I come in, their sales in the store was like 200, 300, and I set a goal to them. There was another like person working in the store, and I said, you know, we need to set a goal, because otherwise you come in blindly and you are just happy for 100 and 200, which is not good. You will be losing your business pagka mga ganyan tipo. So since I came in, we've been selling 2,000, increased a little bit. For them, it's a lot. For me, it's tiny, it's little. I want more. I want to sell more. That's where I said, you guys are already servicing industries that I used to service in the past. I have a lot of connections. I made a lot of connections that are so dear to me. Sabi ko, I can introduce you to the businesses that you have no account with. So we started this week reaching out to people, and we already had a credit up. We already have few customers, and which is a good sign. That means those people are still trusting me to service their industry. So pasensya na po tayo, medyo delayed ang ating mga upload kasi I am so busy. Work and then home and then trying to balance everything, plus Zoe nagkakasakit, then yung nanay ko medyo atat na umuwi ng Pilipinas. So pinagsa-shopping ko po siya, and mga ganyan guys ang ating mga ganyan ang ating mga life update for today. I cannot disclose the name of the company yet, pero ang banks natin ay talagang tabingi. So I cannot disclose the name of the company yet because we agreed to have a written agreement, which ako din ang nagsuggest sa kanila na sabi ko, I need to have a written agreement with you guys. Otherwise, you know, yung parang, oh, we have a misunderstanding, that's not what we agreed for, mga ganyan tipo. So I am selling 2 companies, which is like merging to one in the coming months. So for the meantime, parang akong rep ng 2 companies. I am selling chemicals plus how can I say, blue collar na mga PPEs, yung mga high-vis, yung mga boots, you know, lahat ng mga ginagamit sa mga blue collar companies, mga union, mga ganun tipo. So medyo ano siya, tricky siya to merge in kasi I'm carrying another brand. So but then we are working to have our own label. Medyo malaki ang investment na gagawin nila, but they are pushing it, and that's it guys. So I'm so excited with my new role. I will be their business development / sales rep sa kanilang business. There's only 1, 2, 3, 5 people in this company, and they are a hunger of growth. Kaso hindi nila alam kung saan sila magsisimula. So I am expert in the selling side, I'm expert in the cold calling side, I'm expert in reaching out businesses. So that's where I come in, that's where I contribute to their company. And for this owner to say yes to my proposals is really a huge jump for me, na they trusted me and they welcomed me willingly with both hands and offered me, you know, a salary from a part-time to become a full-time with them and representing their company. And you know, ulit-ulit na lang ako, parang ganon. So I am so passionate in selling. I keep on telling them, you shouldn't be happy with selling 200, 300 apparel. You shouldn't be happy with that. We have to go and reach out outside, show your product, present to them how we could offer, how we could custom, you know, print their businesses their logos to their shirts and all of that. You guys have that capacity, you already have it, you have the equipment, but because they don't have the right manpower, they don't have the right person to do it, hindi nila ginawa. They've been thinking about it after COVID times, pero hindi nila magawa. They don't know where to start. So now that I am putting all the goal in this, and I set the business into that direction, getting out of your comfort zone, not like treat yourself as a mom and pops. You're already almost 40 years in the industry. You should be big, at least locally dito sa amin. But because they are scared to go out and present their products, then they lose the other businesses. So when I reach out to people, automatically I have 2 people who have a credit up with them. Yung nanay ko nosy. Kasi kung doon ako magbibideo sa loob, alam mo, yung nanay ko nakikisaw-saw. So, kaya ko pinipiling mag-video dito, guys, sa kaya ko pinipiling mag-video dito sa tawag nito, sa sasakyan. Kasi iwas sa distraction. Then, walang background. Kasi pag kami naririnig siya sinasabi ko, I was attempting to do like voice over, then taking a video. Every time I'm attempting to do some videos, nandyan siya nakiki-interrupt, nakikisawsaw. So I cannot put a straight video para sa inyo. So medyo tinataasan ko pa yung pasensya ko sa nanay ko at nagmamadali na siyang umuwi. Then may 2 na siyang balikbayan box na pinuno ko, guys. Diyos ko, sinabihan ko siya na I'm buying stuff for you to bring home, hindi sa buong barangay. Kasi alam mong ginagawa niya, she reach out to people. What shoe size do you have? What's your waistline? Do you like this? Do you like that? Sabi ko sa kanya, "Hoy. Hindi tayo mamimigay sa isang barangay. Hindi ako mamimili para sa kanila, naku po." So, sabi ko sa kanya, immediate family lang, ikaw lang, tsaka kapatid ko, yun lang. Wala nang iba. Wala tayong, kasi yung buong simbahan niya, bibigyan niya. Sabi ko, uy, hindi ako mayaman dito para mamimigay. So, they haven't contributed anything. So, ayan guys, pupunta na tayo sa trabaho natin. Yung bags ko talaga tabing. So, pupunta na tayo sa trabaho natin. So, ayan, yung 2 box niya, puno ng mga kakanin. Na kung ano kasi makikita niya mga spices ko dito, gusto niyang dalhin sa Pilipinas. Kung anong kinakain namin dito na mabibili, dadalhin niya doon. So binilhan ko siya ng mga kung ano-ano na gusto niya. Then ito pa ha, kasi nakikita niya dito yung CeraVe. Wala kasing CeraVe sa atin sa Pilipinas, Cetaphil, di ba? Nag-upgrade nag-upgrade ang nanay ko. Sabi niya, na daw siya, gusto niya daw yung body wash niya, Cetaphil na, yung lotion niya, CeraVe, then yung shampoo niya is, ano ba yun? Sabi niya, Cetaphil daw. Sabi ko, walang shampoo na Cetaphil yata. Nag-upgrade na yung nanay ko, patay tayo guys. So, binilan ko siya ng 2 set. Then, gusto niya, oh, yung kapatid mo pa. Sabi ko, hindi ka naman pumunta dito sa Amerika para mamili tayo ng grocery at mamili tayo ng mga lahat ng mga abubot tsaka papadala natin doon. Sabi ko, ano lang yung kaya ko, yun lang ang bibiliin ko. Pwede ba yun? Sabi niya, okay. O bilan mo na lang ako ng Dove na sabon kasi Dove ang paborito nila. Sabi ko, sinong sila? So, ganyan. Pero, iniunti-unti ko lang, hindi ko binili lahat kasi pag bibilin mo lahat, alam mo yung nanay ko, pagdadalhin mo sa grocery store, walang control. Pagdadalhin mo, mamimili ng mga, halimbawa, sabi ko, oh, medyo hindi masyado taglamig, bibili tayo ng mga medyo pang spring, summer na damit. Mauubos ang $500 po ko sa kanya pag hindi mo siya i-control. So, kinokontrol ko siya. Sabi ko, ang limit mo ngayon is 100 lang. So, dinadala ko sa Kohl's kasi mayroon akong Kohl's card. Pero kahit na sinasabihan ko sa 100 lang, minsan napapag-give-in tayo na umaabot ng 200. So, binigyan ko siya guys ng chance. Sabi ko, oh siya, sige. bakit ba kailangan nating bumili ng mga sapatos? Sabi ng nanay ko. Kasi mga sapatos doon sa Pilipinas, puro mga China made. Eh, gusto nila yung parang dito galing sa abroad. Sabi ko, o sige, ang bibilhan ko lang ng sapatos is yung kapatid ko, yung baby niya, yung pamangkin ko, yung asawa niya, tsaka yung brother ko, tsaka yung adopted son niya. Yun lang, sabi ko gano'n. Wala nang iba. Ayaw kong mabili ng mga kung kanino-kanino pa ni hindi naman related sa atin. Alam mo, nagpapabili sa akin ng Levi's. Sabi ko, sino yan? Sabi niya kasi yung inanak ko sa kasal, nagpapabili ng Levi's. Sabi ko, ha? So, sinasabihan ko siya ng medyo malumanay lang na parang, sabi ko sa kanya, wala naman silang contribution sa iyo. Then hindi ka obligado na mamigay sa kanila kung umuwi ka. Kasi sabi ko, ang pira dito sa Amerika, hindi ko tinatai o hindi ako nang mamining ng pira dito. Pinaghirapan ko yan. At saka hindi ganun kalaki ang sahod natin ngayon. So, control muna tayo. Sabi ko, kung anong meron, yun ang gagawin natin. So, dinala ko siya sa Goodwill. O yan, sabi ko, maghanap ka ng Levi's dyan. Sabi ko sa kanya. Pero sabi ko, hindi ako bibili ng brand new na Levi's. Kasi sabi ko, ako nga nag-Goodwill. Ako nga namimili ng mga clearance. Sila pa. Sabi ko, hindi pwedeng ganun. Sabi ko, hindi po natin ugali yun, okay? Sabi niya, okay. Sabi niya, nahiya lang daw siya kasi yung mga nakaalam na nandito siya, they are expecting na mamimigay siya. Sabi ko, nakaalam sa'yo na nandito ka, libo-libo. Sabi ko, ganun. Sabi ko, hindi ka naman nila naalala noon nung nandun ka sa Pilipinas, hindi ka nila naalala. Pero ngayon na nandito ka, naalala ka nila. So, iwasan natin yung mga ganyang mentality. Sabi niya, okay. So, ayun. Binilan ko na, sabi ko, yan, may mga tsokolate dyan. Kung talagang hindi ka makaiwas, bigyan mo ng tsokolate. So, sabi ko, ipack mo yan. Huwag mo ibigay ang buong bag. So, mga ganyan guys. Pero, nagmamadali na siyang umuwi. Kaya alam ko talaga na hindi siya pwede tatagal dito sa Amerika. Pasalamat ako na hindi ko siya in-apply ng a-apply ko sana siya ng green card. Sabi ko, para mayroon siyang, tawag nito, mayroon siyang benefits dito. 2 buwan pa lang siya, nagmamadali ng umuwi, nakaimpake na yung malita, ready na. Tapos nagtatanong na sa akin kung kailan ko daw siya i-book. Ayan. Sabi, bakit kailangan mo malaman kung kailan kita i-book? Sabi niya kasi para na makaimpake ako. Sabi ko, mayroon ka pang 2 buwan. Sabi ko, gano'n, 2 buwan pa. Kaya okay lang yan. Sabi kong ganun. Ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa ating trabaho. And tayo ay magte-training ng isang employee ngayong araw na to. Titraining ko siya para sa magiging ready kami next week. Magiging ready kami next week para sa cold calling namin at saka mag-visit ng mga accounts. Kasi mayroon silang accounts na hindi alam na nagki-chemical na kami. So, pupuntahan namin next week. I'll see you guys in my next video. Pasensya na po tayo. Unti-unti mag-upload na po tayo by next week. Guys, have a good day. Bye-bye. Maputo na ko na sa iya maputo. So, let's go. Long sleeve man na.
Paris ko sa maong. No? Paris sa maong lapang inner.
Mommy, Tabasco's are like sealed in.